looking out on the desert before him and back to the trip behind him. Drew finds the man he wanted to be, sitting on a sand dune. On an adventure that took Drew beyond the limits of his body and to the depths of his heart. He did the things that able-bodied people do, but most won't ever attempt. Drew went beyond what everyone perceived him to be. He went beyond the chair.
I guess what I'm trying to find is companionship, I guess. I need your opinion on something. My friend and I are staying in a hostel here, and they found, or his girlfriend found pictures of naked girls under the bed. And like, she's freaking out. Like, she thinks they're his. Is that cool? Or, I mean, like, what would you do in that situation? Do you want to go up to gondola with me tomorrow?
Yeah, really, I'll probably be working.
Yeah. All right. How about another day? How about Monday? Are you here Monday?
Well, I'm a little busy.
Oh yeah. Oh cool.
Yeah, I'm not one to make plans if I always change my plans.
Oh yeah.
I did it.
Nice.
But
hey, yeah, I enjoyed meeting you.
Yeah, you too. Have a nice vacation.
Thanks. You too.
I thought it was Emily. That's where they were.
Hey, I need your opinion on something.
Sure.
Hey, my friend's girlfriend found pictures of someone to share life experiences with. I guess we can call it a girlfriend.
And just like that, everything comes to a screeching halt.
You get some drugs that will calm the muscles down. And
yeah. I don't think it's a trip stopper myself.
well, I'm not sure about leaving tomorrow. I've just been to the urgent care center, saw the doctor. He was talking about chasing me to the airport and stopping me from getting on that plane because I seem to have injured my back. The plane is flying out tomorrow. I'm not sure if I should go or not. I'm actually scared to death.
Even if you don't go on the trip, a lot can happen.
Yeah.
There's no difference.
Yeah, I guess you have a point.
What are you scared of? What are you afraid of?
I'm afraid of everything. I got so much stuff here, I don't know how I'm going to fit it all in my bag.
You know, Andrew is Andrew. It's the nature of the animal. He doesn't prepare. He doesn't think ahead. And somehow he always lands on his feet. It's just amazing. I don't know if you want Old Spice to smell good. Here's your spare mask. 3, 2, spare. Good job. You're gonna have a hat. I mean, okay, you're not 100% perfect when you leave, but you never are. If you waited until everything was exactly right, you'd never do anything. So We don't know how bad his back is. It could be a psychological, problem where he's just afraid of what is facing him.
Sure, part of me wants to back out. I mean, it would be a lot easier to just stay at home and not go, but you can't live life that way. I would be wasting my life if I did that.